Guys, naglalakad kami ni Pedro. So, naglakad lang kami from sa bahay papunta dito sa place na to. Kasi naisip ko, pag nandito na si Faith, gusto kong maglakad-lakad. So, dito kami. Ito yung inaan namin, binibilan, nag-shopping kami ng Smiths.
Every road, every twist and turn with you. There's so
Ito rin
much
yung
more.
yung dito rin kami papagasolina, oh.
Yeah, that's where we should get.
Sa Shell.
Laughter makes it all worthwhile. Our story
People
written
waiting
in
outside. That's how it's busy.
forever starts with
yeah.
you.
It means it's good.
That means
It's
they don't have any choice.
No, no, that's
Our revenge
Yeah.
it.
I think it's
Country.
through
Oh, it is country.
yeah.
sweetest
Take that.
treasure. Every heart,
Oh, good.
every
That's it.
dream
It's a breakfast place.
feels like
Wanna try
heaven's
it?
melody.
Sige.
Through the highs
Try
and
namin yung
lows
country
within,
kitchen.
you're my love
Dahil kasi nagluluto kami
and
sa
our
bahay. Inaamoy namin para mabango. Ayun, country kitchen.
It's you and me.
Yan si Pedro. Hi, Pedro!
Look, a purple.
Again and
Is that Tesla? Tingnan niyo dito. Purple Tesla. So, maganda kasi yung panahon ngayon, guys. Hindi kami tumuloy, guys. Kagigising ko lang, guys. Just woke up.
Yeah.
Kasi, Sunday.
Want to see the taco menu? We
Taco.
can walk in to see the menu.
Yeah,
Just so you
let's
can see.
Let's
It's right
go.
there.
So, kagising ko lang, naglakad kami ngayon. Pauwi na kami. Sabi ko kasi kay Pedro, gusto ko sanang maglakad-lakad para makita ko kung nandito na si Faith. Kunwari, nag-work siya. Bibili kami ng something. Hello. Konting shopping or foods. Paano ba kayo makarating dito by walk? So, yeah.
Let's look. Let's look.
Tabako na naman, guys. So, guys, ito naman kami uuwi, pabalik. Gagamit kami ng, what do you call that thing, lab, the
Yeah.
walking button?
Hmm?
That walking button?
The traffic stop walkway.
Ah,
Traffic stop walkway. Would you press the button to go across?
so ito daw yung traffic stop button for our walkway. But this is not working pala. Ay, that.
Yeah, to go across.
So guys, so,
Wait. See?
when you wait,
It says wait.
pwede wait.
Okay, see the hand?
Ah,
The hand stop?
oo.
You don't
Then,
cross.
Pag
Then-
time remaining, pag may pag nakaganyan, huwag kang tatawid. Pag time remaining, 18 seconds yung bibigay. Ayan, no? Pag 18 seconds na, time remaining, yan, pwede ka na maglakad.
So you go. Big sales Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Boulder Highway.
Ayan na.
There we go.
Yan na,
That's
ito
us.
na yung may walking na.
See, you got 12, 11. We're not
Ayan.
gonna make it. We're not gonna make it to this. We're gonna have to wait here.
Yan.
Yeah, it's too short.
Dalawa yung tatawiran natin. Pero dapat dito ka tumawid.
Mm-hmm.
You need to use this, especially if you have kids.
Yeah, safe. You
For safety.
No, because if you cross the street, they'll give you a ticket now because now you're not obeying that.
Oo.
This is called jaywalking.
Magja-jaywalking tayo
Jaywalking.
dito.
I needed this walk, bro.
Ang ganda ng langit.
Faded memories all the
Oh,
while.
diba?
Through every season, joy and tears, we've built a love that
Not to go
conquers
off, so-
fear.
I mean, we can. I can go. It's just.
Show the way.
Dito kami nang galing. Lakad kami, crossing papunta doon. Ngayon naman, dito kami babalik.
It's our
Kasi back gate yan.
journey
Ito yung
adventure
front gate.
through
Try
love's
namin yan.
sweetest
So, ito
treasure.
na yung entrance namin.
Every heartbeat,
Papasok
every
ng
dream
aming,
feels like
what do you call
heaven's
this?
melody.
Townhome.
Through the highs and lows we've been
Villas, Townhome Villas.
Townhome Villa. Sa construction pa rin sila dito.
never ends.
Ito yung pool namin.
Again and again.
Go across instead of go around.
Through every
This used to be a
flight,
parking lot,
every
yeah.
Di ba nga?
sunset view, every I love you feels brand new. And if the world should fade away, I'd still choose you
Ayan, no.
every day.
Dito kami ulit nakakapunta. Tinatamad ako.
It's our journey,
Right.
our adventure.
Gandang lakad sa umaga. I think it's 11. No.
Sweetest
It's 10:30 na.
treasure. Every step and every
10:33.
scene is more than I've ever dreamed.
Ito naman yung
Through
dog
the
park.
roads that never bend,
Yeah.
you're my love,
Dog park naman yan,
my
guys.
friend, our story
Oh, ganda ng bulaklak,
has
guys.
no
Oh.
end. It's you and me.
Ito yung area namin, guys.
Till the end.
Pedro naglalakad. May asawang gwapo. Hi! Guys, may nakatingin sa amin, guys. Hello! Hello!